Good morning, students. Welcome to another video. In today's class, we are going to solve some numerical problems related to the second chapter, units and measurement. Let's go to the first question directly. The first question is an example from the NCERT textbook. This is an example from the NCERT textbook. Okay. So, in the question, it is given, calculate the angle of 1 degree. This is a symbol for degree. This circle we are writing here, that is a symbol for degree. Okay. We have to calculate the angle of 1 degree in radians. It is given here, find in radians. So we have to calculate the angle of 1 degree in radians. That means simply we have to convert 1 degree into radians. A question of the first part to A part to the 1 degree angle to kami radians le convert korbo lagibo. Bas amar kam himane. The second part is given 1 minute of an arc. Now the symbol like this, 1 dash, that represents a minute. That represents a minute. Okay, and the symbol double dash given here, that represents second. That represents second. Now in our previous class we have studied about a circle. The circle is like this. If we make an angle here, we get an angle here. Okay, that's written in radians, and this part is known as its arc. This part is known as the arc. Clear? So this part is the arc. If we complete the arc for the whole circle, then what will be the angle formed here? If we complete the arc for the whole circle, then the angle formed here will be 360 degree. Right? Start from here, go for the whole circle. So if you complete the whole circle like this, then the total angle formed at the center will be 360 degree. Janai at a circular to angle hoy center to circle to angle hoy kiman hoy to 360 degree hoy. Jodi ami eta complete pack maru enkoke circle to ase to ya pa arambo koisu eneke jodi ek pack ghuri dia kiman degree angle form hobo, it will form 360 degrees. Jodi adha pack mara, jodi half of roijon ya pa goi ya roi dila to kiman degree hobo, total 180 degree hobo. ঠিক আছে তো এখিনি বস্তু আগতে তোমালোকে ক্লাস 9 ত পঢ়ি আইছা. ইয়াত বেসিক্যালি ইম্পর্টেন্ট হৈছে the symbols. This symbol is for degree, single dash means minute and double dash means second. এতিয়া মিনিট আৰু সেকেন্ড কৰ পৰা আহিছে ডিগ্ৰী টু যদি আমি ডিভাইড কৰো, ডিগ্ৰী যদি 360 ডিগ্ৰী ডিভাইড কৰিলো 1 ডিগ্ৰী আকৌ আমি 60 পাৰ্টছত ডিভাইড কৰিম. ঠিক আছে, 1 degree is divided into 60 parts. 60 part of divide koilu, finally its part is known as minute. Similarly, if we divide this minute into 60 parts, then we will form a second. Okay, so into circle to ase ya total angle kiman form hoise 360 degree form hoise. Fal এই 360 ডিগ্ৰী টুক যদি আমি সমানে 360 টা ভাগত ভাগ কৰো, then each will be known as a degree. ইয়াত আমি এটা ভাগ কৰিলো, this will be 1 degree, দুটা ভাগ কৰিলো 2 ডিগ্ৰী ফৰ্ম কৰিলে, তিনটা ভাগ কৰিলো 3 ডিগ্ৰী ফৰ্ম কৰিলে, এনেকৈ গৈ থাকিব 360 টা ডিগ্ৰী পাম আমি, হয় না? If we divide this 1 degree into 60 parts, if we divide that 1 degree into 60 equal parts, 60 equal parts, then what we will obtain? We will get 1 minute. We will get 1 minute, and 1 minute is written as like this, 1 dash. The symbol for minute is a single dash. Similarly, if we divide 1 minute into 60 equal parts, then we will find second. Okay, 1 minute, break it into 60 equal parts. Then what we will obtain? We will obtain the second. Okay, each equal part will be known as a second. 1 second, and the symbol for 1 second is 1 double dash. Clear hoise? This is the question. This is the basic concept, and in the question it has been told us to find the values in radians. Okay, and it is also given there that use 360 degree is equal to twice pi radians. 1 pi mane kiman 180 degree, so 2 pi mane kiman hobo 360 degree. 1 pi mane or pi mane hoise 180 degree. Okay, sir, pi radian means 180 degree, so twice pi means into 2, so it will become 360 degree. And it is also given here 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Kyo karon ami eta degree 60 bhagot bhag kori he 60 degree 60 minutes paisalo, হয় না? Similarly 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. It is janai aru. So let's go to the main part of the problem. How can we solve this? These conversions are important, okay? Now this given, and we also know that 1 degree we can write it as theta degree. 1 degree jodi etu 1 nohoy 10 hol then ki roile ami 20 hol then tete ki roile eta ami normally theta dhori leso. So 1 degree mane ami theta degree bole dhori leso. Now the important formula here that you have to remember is the angle in degrees. The angle in degrees, that is written as theta degree, divided by 180 degree. Angle in degrees divided by 180 degree. That is equal to the angle in radians. Angle in radian. This can be written as theta r. Okay, divided by pi. This is a very important formula for conversion, so please remember this. Angle in degrees divided by 180 degree, that is equal to angle in radians. Angle in radians can be written as theta r divided by pi. So in short, this will now become, this can be written as theta degree divided by 180 is equal to theta r divided by pi. Remember this like this, okay? So what is the value of theta degree here? We have taken 1 degree. So 1 degree divided by 180, that is equal to theta r divided by pi. Clear? Now what do we have to find? We have to find the angle in radian. That means we have to find theta r. We have to find the angle in degree radians. Radians are the angle to level, you know. So I mean q level theta r to level lagibo. Clear hoise? ইয়াৰ পৰা থিটা ওলাই আছে, সব ভালকে সব কি কৰিম আমি theta r will be equal to কিমান হ'ব theta r will be equal to এটো ইফালে লৈ যাও 1 into pi হৈ গল 1 into pi divided by 180 1 into pi divided by 180 degree. The value of pi is 3.14 as you all know. So theta r is equal to 3.14 divided by how much? Divided by 180. If you solve this, you will find the value to be something like this: 0.01744. Go like this. Or we can also write theta r is equal to 1.74. We are writing in power form here. 1.744 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians. This is also in radians. Clear? So this is the answer to the first part, that is A. The answer to the part A is theta r equal to 1.744 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. So the second part of the question, in part B, we have to find the angle in radians for 1 minute of an arc. Okay. So how do we solve this? Similar to the previous part, similar to part A, we can consider let theta degree is equal to 1 minute. Let theta degree is equal to 1 minute. Okay. And what was theta here? Theta degree is equal to 1 degree we have considered. Right? So now we know that 60 seconds, 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. If we divide 1 degree, then we'll have that is equal to 60 minutes. Or we can divide 1 degree into 60 equal parts, and each equal part is known as minute. So as যদি আমি 1 degree divide কৰো কি পাম আমি 60 minutes পাইলাম। ক্লিয়াৰ আছে? So 1 minute কিমান হ'ব? 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees পালো। ঠিক আছে? আৰু আমি ইয়াত কি লিখিছো? এটা স্টেপত কি লিখিছো চোৱা। theta degree is equal to 1 minute. ঠিক আছে? আমি ইয়াত কিমান পাইছো? 1 minute পাইছো। So in place of 1 minute we can write theta degree also. So theta degree is equal to 1 by 60 degree. That is equal to 1 minute. Clear hoise? Now we will use the formula. The formula was theta degree, theta in degrees divided by কি আসলে 180 degree is equal to right hand side কি আসলে theta in radians, theta r divided by pi. Clear hoise? এতিয়া আমি theta degree কিমান পালো চোৱা theta degree এটো ভ্যালু পাইছো 1 by 60 degree হল তো আমি ইয়াত পুট কৰিম 1 divided by 60 degree divided by 180 and that is equal to theta r divided by pi. Theta r divided by pi. So here pi theta r কিমান হ'ব? Theta r will be equal to theta r উলিয়াবলৈ কৈছো so this will be 1 by 60 into 80 sorry 180 আৰু ওপৰলে কি আহিব pi আহি যাব pi value 3.14 as you all know the value of pi is 3.14. Clear was it? So এই টাইমটো আমি অলৰেডি উলিয়াই আইছো pi by 180 আমি অলৰেডি উলিয়াই আইছো হলনে আমি কি কৰিলে হৈ গল জাস্ট হেতু ঠাইত আমি 1.72 যদি ভ্যালু পাইছিলো ফার্স্ট পার্ট অফ হে ভ্যালুটো পুট কৰি দিলে হৈ গল so this will become theta r theta in radians that is equal to 1 by 60 into what was pi by 180 degree the value of pi by 180 degree was 1.74 into 10 to the power minus 2. Simply divide this value divided by 60. Simply divide this value for pi by 180 degree. Okay, for pi by 180 we got 1.74 to the power minus 2 and there is 1 by 160 so we are just multiplying 1 by 160 into this value. So finally if you solve this then you will get the value of theta r to be 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 4 and this answer will be in radians. Don't forget to write the unit radians because it has been given that find in radians. This is the answer for the second part. Again what we have to do if this is given in seconds we will simply have to divide this value by 60 right. So let's go to part C. The part C was given 1 minute. Part C was given 1 second, sorry, 1 second. This was second. 1 second of arc. What do we have to do? We have to simply divide this value, right? So we can consider theta degree is equal to 1 second. Theta degree is equal to 1 second. This can be written as 1 by 60 of minute. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 of 1 minute. Correct? We have divided 1 minute into 1 minute into 60 seconds. If we divide 1 minute by 60, then we will get 1 second. Right? Now we also know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 1 second will be equal to how much? 1 by 60 minutes. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. So I have written that here. Clear? What will be the value of theta r? Use the same formula. Finally, we will have to divide this value. We got the value for minute. The value for minute was 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 4. We simply have to divide that value by this 60. Okay, we have got this value 1 dash or 1 minute. The value for 1 minute in the part B was 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 4. If you divide that by 60, then what you will find? You will get the value of theta r to be approximately 4.83 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. Okay, so this is a very simple problem. Only just we have to convert. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. In question number 2, it is given the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite poles A and B on Earth. Moon to swa hoise Earthor duta poles opra. The angle subtended at the moon by the two directions of observation is 1 degree 54 minutes. Okay, যেটো angle বনাইছে হেতু the direction of observation হেতু দিয়া আছে angle কিমান দিয়া আছে 1 degree 54 minutes. Given the diameter of the earth to be 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meters. Earthor diameter dia ase. Compute the distance of the moon from the earth. We ki calculate koribo lagibo? We have to calculate the distance of the moon from the earth. Moon to earthor pora kiman durot ase hetu uliabo lage. So question to আমি diagram to first bonai lo. The moon is observed from two diametrically opposite poles. ঠিক আছে? এটা question মই দিছো. এটা part. The moon is observed from two diametrically opposite poles A and B on Earth বুলি কৈছে. So আমি জানো যে Earth খন ডাঙৰ হয় আৰু moon টো সৰু হয়. তো আমি এনেকৈ কি লৈছো? ঠিক আছে, this is Earth and this is the moon. Next, Earth খন আমি moon টো আমি ক'ৰ পৰা চাইছো? Two diametrically opposite poles. So যদি আমি diameter টো আকো Earth ৰ poles কোনটা হ'ব? Diameter যদি আকো এনেকৈ this will be its diameter, this will be its pole and this will be its pole. আমি moon to কোবা observe কৰিছো from this point and from this point. Clear হৈছে? Now yet কি দিয়া আছে চোৱা, the angle subtended at the moon by the two directions. It was the direction of the observation and this is also another direction of observation. The angle subtended at the moon by the two directions of observations is 1 degree 54 minutes. So আমাক ইয়াত কি দিয়া আছে? এই angle to দিয়া আছে. This angle is theta. Clear হৈছে? এই angle to দিয়া আছে, that is theta. আমি moon to ইয়াত আছে ধৰি দিছো. So this angle is theta. So now what is theta? Theta is equal to 1 degree 54 minutes. 1 degree 54 minutes. A 54 minutes je ase ami etu convert koribo lagibo noy into degree. Okay, so we have to convert this whole value of theta into degree. It is given here that 1 degree 54 minutes. We have to convert this whole value into degree. Correct? Now it is also given that the diameter of the earth is about this much. So what is its diameter? The diameter is this length. We can consider this as L, and here L is equal to how much? 1.27 into 10 to the power 276. Sorry, 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meters. Dia ase. Well, Earthor diameter dia ase. Ami ki uliabo lage? We have to compute the distance of the moon from the sun. So moon to aru earth to mazat. Mo sun kolu, sun nohoy earth. ঠিক আছে, তো earth aru moon mazat distance to ami uliabo lage. Eto ami r বুলি ধৰি লম. Similarly, এফালৰ পৰা আমি distance to r বুলি ধৰি লম. So we have to calculate this r, distance of the moon from the earth. Clear hoise? So now ki dia ase sum. Okay, first of theta dia ase likhi lolo, L dia ase likhi lolo. We have to calculate the value of r, and we also know theta is equal to L divided by r. Here L is this length and r is this length. Arc divided by radius. Okay, theta is equal to r by radius, that is equal to L by r. Now we can write theta degree. Theta is equal to 1 degree. If we write theta equal to 1 degree, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. You know this. Okay, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. We divide 1 degree into 60 equal parts, and each part is known as a minute. So 1 degree consists of 60 minutes. 1 degree 60 minutes থাকে. হল আমি এটো 1 ডিগ্ৰী বনাই দিও বা আমি যদি 1 মিনিট উলিয়াবলৈ যাও তেতিয়া 1 মিনিট কিমান হ'ব আমি 60 টু এফালে লৈ আহিলে হৈ গল we have to transfer this 60 to this side this will be degree 1 by 60 degree is equal to 1 minute এই 60 টো আমি এফালে লৈ আহিলো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে এফালে 1 থাকি গল so 1 by 60 degree is equal to 1 minute আমাক এটা কিমান দিয়া আছে চোৱাচোন 1 ডিগ্ৰী টো আমি উলিয়ালে হৈ গল ফৰ ইয়াত 54 মিনিটস দিয়া আছে 54 মিনিটস so 54 মিনিটস টো আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত 1 ডিগ্ৰী কাৰণে উলিয়াইছো বা 1 মিনিটৰ কাৰণে উলিয়াইছো so আমি যদি 54 মিনিটস উলিয়াবলৈ হয় কি কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত 54 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব নহয় হয়নে ইয়াত 1 মিনিট আছে 1 মিনিট is equal to 1 degree by 60 so 54 minutes কিমান হ'ব we have to multiply 54 ঠিক আছে so this will be 54 divided by 60 degree and that will be equal to 54 minutes clear হৈছে just 54 দি multiply কৰি দিছো এতিয়া total theta কিমান হ'ব total theta yet dia আছে 1 degree 54 minutes and 54 minutes to convert কৰি দিলো 54 minutes is equal to 54 degree by 60 degree so what will be the total value of theta theta is equal to 1 degree 54 minutes হৈ গল so this is equal to 1 degree plus কিমান degree 1 degree plus 54 by 60 54 minutes of theta আমি 54 by 60 লিখিব পাৰিম so 54 divided by 60 degree clear হৈছে if you solve this then you will find the value of theta is equal to 1 plus 54 divided by 60 cancel out this this will be 9 this will be 10 so if you take a LCM then in the denominator we will have 10 and on the numerator we will have 10 plus 9 and that is equal to 19 divided by 10 you can write this in degree right this is the value of theta so আমি theta উলিয়ালো আমাক r দিয়া আছে না l দিয়া আছে so আমি কি উলিয়াব লাগে r টো উলিয়াব লাগে ঠিক আছে এটা জাস্ট আমি কনভার্জন ফর্মুলা ইউজ কৰিম in the last in the previous questions we have discussed about this formula theta degree divided by 180 is equal to theta r theta in radians divided by 5 simple formula या थीटा वैल्यू किमान पाइছো इन डिग्रीज किमान पाइছো थीटा वैल्यू 19 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 10 19 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 10 হৈ গল তলত কি আছে তলত 180 আছে ইয়াত সো ডিভাইডেড বাই 180 and this is equal to theta r divided by 5 next step আমি কি কৰিম সো এই ডায়াগ্ৰাম আমি মোহাই দিছো হল আমাক জাস্ট r টো লাগে r লাগে in the next step we have to calculate this so we have to calculate the value of theta r we have to calculate the value of theta r and this will be equal to just cross multiply koi den so this will be 19 divided by 10 into pi divided by 180 ঠিক আছে now we again know that theta is equal to L divided by R হয় না theta is equal to L by R so just আমি এই ভ্যালু কিটা তাত পুট কৰি দিও from this formula we can see that R is equal to L divided by theta and theta here is in radians আমি এটা radians of উলিয়াইছো ভ্যালু তো just theta ভ্যালুটো পুট কৰি দিলে হৈ যাব this is nothing but theta R L divided by theta r ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি r টো ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব পাৰিম so r is equal to L over আমাৰ কি আছে L this implies r is equal to L over দিয়া আছে 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meters দিয়া আছে divided by theta r ভ্যালু কিমান পাইছো আমি theta r is equal to 19 divided by 10 into pi divided by 180 আমি যদি তো নিউমারেটৰলৈ উঠাই দিও ভ্যালুজ কিনি তেতিয়া কি হ'ব this implies r is equal to 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 থাকিব ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত লগত কি দিব এই 10 টো ওপৰত উঠি যাব নহয় so this will be 10 divided by 19 এই 180 টো ওপৰত উঠি যাব into 180 পাই টো তলত থাকি যাব so 180 divided by pi if you calculate this value then this value of r comes out to be 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meters. Our value to hold 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meters. So this is equal to the distance of the moon from the earth. This is equal to the distance of the moon from the earth. Clear? Now let us go to the third question. The third question is the sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. There is a double dash here, so this means seconds. Okay, the sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. Mind it, it is given angular diameter, not diameter. Okay, this is angular diameter. The distance d of the sun, the distance d of the sun from the earth, earthor pra sun tor distance to dia ase. Kiman dia ase? 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Now, what is the diameter of the sun? Ami ki uliabo lagibo? Sun tor diameter to. Okay, so ami agote nisna similar diagram ta banai lom yat. আমি আগতে প্রিভিয়াস কোশ্চেন কি কৰিছিলো ইয়াত আৰ্থ খন কনসিডাৰ কৰিছিলো নাও এটা কি কি দিয়া আছে সান দিয়া আছে আৰু ইয়াত আৰ্থ দিয়া আছে হল তো সানটো ডাঙৰ হৈ জানা দিস ইজ দা সান আৰ্থ খন আমি এফালে ফৰকে কিলো দিস ইজ দা আৰ্থ ক্লিয়াৰ আছে এটা ইয়াত কোশ্চেনত কি দিয়া আছে দা সানস এঙ্গুলাৰ ডায়ামিটাৰ দিয়া আছে এঙ্গুলাৰ ডায়ামিটাৰ বুলি ক'লে এটো যেটো ডায়ামিটাৰ সানৰ যেটো ডায়ামিটাৰ হয় হেতু নহয় কিন্তু দিস ইজ দা আৰ্থ কি It is diameter, angular diameter no hai. This is the simple linear diameter. It is the diameter diya ase. It is linear diameter hai hoy. Amat diya ase angular diameter. So angular diameter mane ki a sun ray earth khonot kiman ta angle banaise. That will be its angular diameter. Jodi ami sun to duta opposite ends pa sao. Enuko ke yat dilu. Enuko ke yat join logai dilu. Thik ase? To earth pa sale sun to diameter kuntu hobo. Yar pra etu hobo. So angular diameter kuntu hobo its angular diameter will be this one angular diameter will be theta clear hoise and is given that theta is equal to 1920 seconds the value of r is given r distance of the sun from the earth dia ase so sun to earth par kiman distance ase 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. So this is equal to r. That means r is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Clear? Now what we have to find? Ami ki uliabo lagi yat. Ami uliabo lagi what is the diameter of the sun? So ami a distance uliabo lagi. Linear diameter uliabo lagi. And this diameter is written as L. This diameter is written as L. Similar formula I am use korim just conversion koribo lagibo. So let's first convert theta. Theta kiman dia ase? Theta is equal to 1920. এই ভূতৰ সিনেমা এখন যে আছে মনত আছে নে 1920 চাইছা চাগে কিছুমানে সো এটো ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে কিহত দিয়া আছে সেকেন্ডছত দিয়া আছে আমি কনভার্ট কৰিম মিনিটছ হলে 1920 মিনিটছ হলে কনভার্ট কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ডিভাইডেড বাই 60 কৰিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে we have converted it into seconds into minute we have converted seconds into minute next step কি কৰিম আকৌ আমি ডিগ্ৰীলে কনভার্ট কৰিব লাগে we are going to convert theta into degree yat ki hoti ase seconds of dia ase ami ki hole convert korse degree le convert kore to ইয়াত আমি ফার্স্ট মিনিটস লৈ কনভার্ট কৰিলো নেক্সট এই ভ্যালুটো যদি আকৌ আমি ডিভাইড কৰিলো 1920 divided by 60 আছে মিনিটস আছে না এটা যদি আমি ডিভাইডেড বাই 60 কৰি দিও তেতিয়া হলে মিনিটস হৈ থাকিব জানো দিস উইল বিকাম ডিগ্ৰী this is not 0 okay this is degree so finally we have theta is equal to 1920 divided by 60 into 60 degree a 60 to tolano minus so this is theta equal to 1920 divided by 60 into 60 degree. If you solve this, then you will get the value of theta to be equal to 8 divided by 15. Just cancel out korle tumloke pabage 8 divided by 15. এতিয়া আমি হে আগৰ যে ফর্মুলা আছিল আমাৰ জেনারেল ফর্মুলাটো হেতু ইউজ কৰিম let's use the formula theta in degree divided by 180 is equal to theta in radian divided by কিমান আছে divided by pi theta degree কিমান পাইছো আমি theta degree is equal to 8 by 15 পাইছো so 8 divided by 15 divided by 180 আছে 180 that is equal to theta r divided by pi ekini value ami ekini bostu ami mohai disu so from this we can calculate the value of theta r. Theta r will be equal to 8 divided by 15 30 হৈ গলে pi ৰ ফলে গুছি যাব into pi divided by 180 থাকি যাব this is equal to theta r. এটা simply আমি pi value ইয়াত পুট কৰিব লাগে so this will be 8 divided by 15 into pi value kiman 3.14 the value of pi is 3.14 divided by 180 I go cancel out koi dia 2 4s are 8 kiman hobo to 2 90s are 180 next ako kora 2 2s are 4 2 45s are 90 clear hoise so ami yat kiman pam so theta r is equal to 2 by 15 equal 2 by 15 into 3.14 divided by 45 equal eto ami ki hobe lolo theta r hobe lolo theta in radians clear hoise next ami ako itu formula use korim theta is equal to arc যেটো আমি l বুলি কও divided by radius হয় না এটা ডায়াগ্রামটো কেনেকুৱা আছে এখন এটো সাম আছে it what asile it angle to asile this was l and this is r so l divided by r koi dile ami pai jam ki hor value theta value from this we can also calculate l because theta to ami janu so theta value ami palo eto simply calculate l from this value so l will be equal to kiman hobo if I lose ami so l will be equal to theta into r l will be equal to theta into r theta value put koi dia is equal to 2 by 15 into 3.14 divided by 45 into r value kiman dia asile mak r value dia asile 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters dia asile clear hoise if you solve this then the value of l comes out to be 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meters so we q level isle diameter 2 level isle diameter of the sun and that is equal to l so we can write therefore the diameter of the sun is 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meters ami yat eta bostu likhibo lagibo ki bol likhim approx এপ্ৰক্সিমেটলি ইমানটো হয় কিয় কাৰণ সো আমি পাই ভ্যালুটো এক্সাক্ট ভ্যালুটো লোৱা নাই আমি জাস্ট ৰাউন্ড অফ কৰি পেলাই লৈছো 3.14 জাস্ট দুটা ভ্যালু লৈছো পাই ভ্যালুটো নেভাৰ এন্ডিং ভ্যালু হয় পাই ভ্যালু 3.14 এনেকে গৈ থাকে 147 এনেকে গৈ থাকে ঠিক আছে আমি জাস্ট ইয়াত দুটা ভ্যালু লৈছো আফটাৰ ডেসিমেল সো ডেসিমেলৰ ভিতৰত দুটা প্লেস লৈছো কাৰণে আমি এপ্ৰক্সিমেট কৰি দিছো নহলো সো এপ্ৰক্সিমেট ভ্যালু ল'ব লাগিব সো we are considering the diameter to be an approximate value only so this is the diameter of the sun so this is all about the second chapter of my part so এই চ্যাপ্টাৰটো যিখিনি নিউমেৰিকেলছ আছে নিউমেৰিকেলছ খিনি বহুত বেছি এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয় these things are not very important and this is also not very important from the examination point of view তোমালোকৰ এন্ট্ৰেন্স এক্সামিন হওক লাগিলে বা ক্লাছৰ এক্সামিন হওক হে এটা পৰীক্ষাটো এই বস্তুটো বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয় বাট জাস্ট তোমালোকে এই অংকবিলাক কেনেকৈ কৰে হেতু জানি থোৱাটো ভাল কাৰণ কেতিয়া ক'ত প্ৰয়োজন হৈ যায় কোনো নাজানে ঠিক আছে তো ইয়াত আমি বেছি কৰিবলগীয়া বিশেষ নাই আমি জাস্ট কেইটামান নিউমেৰিকেল চালো জাস্ট ফৰ্মুলা যিকেইটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় সেই ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ফৰ্মুলা কেইটা চালো বাস হৈ গল বেছি নিউমেৰিকেলছ কৰিব দৰকাৰ নাই আৰু ইয়াত এটা পাৰ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় যেটো এৰৰ্স সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগাৰস that part is important and that part will be taught by Sarmistha ma'am from next class so তোমালোকৰ next class to Sarmistha ma'am লব আৰু সেই ক্লাছটোৰ পৰা তোমালোকৰ এই যেটো এৰৰ্স পাৰ্ট আছে আৰু সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগাৰস পাৰ্ট আছে সেই পাৰ্টটো মেমে পঢ়াব ঠিক আছে তো তোমালোকে এটেন্ডেন্সটো মোক দিব নালাগে নেক্সট ক্লাছৰ পৰা এটেন্ডেন্সটো Sarmistha মেমক দিবা যেটো ক্লাছৰ পৰা তেওঁ কৰিব সেই ক্লাছটোৰ পৰা তোমালোকে Sarmistha মেমক তেখেতৰ পাৰ্সোনাল নম্বৰ দিব নহয় সেই পাৰ্সোনাল নম্বৰ WhatsApp নম্বৰত এটেন্ডেন্স দিবা ঠিক আছে সো ভালকে পঢ়িবা সকলোৱে আকৌ আমি বেলেগ এটা চ্যাপ্টাৰ যেতিয়া মোৰ পাৰ্ট আহিব তেতিয়া মই কৰাম এতিয়া বৰ্তমান সময়ৰ কাৰণে জাস্ট কেইদিনমানৰ কাৰণে Sarmistha মেমে তোমালোকক সেকেন্ড পাৰ্ট যেটো আছে সেই সেকেন্ড পাৰ্টটো পঢ়াব ক্লিয়াৰ so thank you and have a nice day